Today there's a festival going on at Yasukuni Shrine, so me and Isaiah we're gonna go and check it out because they're gonna have some lanterns. It's gonna be cool. Summer festivals in Japan, they're crowded but very fun. Good food, very nice atmosphere. And I haven't worn a yukata in a very long time. I had two in the past. It's like this navy and white one, and I've had this pink, orange, and white one, but I've passed them down to my younger sister. And now that I'm a little bit grown, I decided to invest in a forever piece yukata, and so I wanted to show you guys. So starting off with the main piece, I know it's very grown up, the color is very mature. We have this navy, we have this burgundy lines, some lily, some red and yellow flowers because I like this yellow, it's my happy color. And with that, we have this luxe olive obi, which is the belt. I was also able to get some accessories. I'm going to run through them very briefly and you'll see the end result after I put it on. But I got some burgundy flowers, some gold decoration. I was also able to get a large size geta. These usually come in very small sizes here in Japan, so I was very happy that I was able to get my size at the pop-up store in Shibuya. So yeah, I think that's about it. Actually, I also got this silver thing to kind of like flare through the obi, the main obi that I'll be putting on. In addition to the accessories and the yukata itself, I also got the undergarment and some strap. I guess you can watch me while I put the yukata on. As you may have noticed, I am already glammed up. Shinju came over last night to do my hair and we finished like 2 hours ago, and it's like what, 4 p.m. right now, but we are in a rush. The festival ends at 8 p.m. and we're trying to get out of here by hopefully 7:30. My mom taught me how to put a yukata on, but I have not done this in a very long time. We're starting off with a very plain white tank top, preferably beige, but I don't have any beige right now, so low cut plain tank top and a beige biker shorts situation, because you don't want your butt or your underwear just, I don't know, showing through your yukata. Back in the days when these things were normally worn, it was a very conservative time. So women who were on the curvier end would have to have like little towels inside of their undergarment so that their curves don't show. But I don't think it's that exactly. I also think it's because the clothing stays a little bit better when there is a towel inside. But yeah, let's start off with the undergarment. I'm gonna try and do this really quickly because we don't have time. It is gonna be hot, by the way. It's humid, it's Japan, and it's summer. I am a little bit taller than average here, so this might turn out to be a little bit shorter, but we're gonna try to finesse it and see if we can get it to the length that we want. Oh, it's already looking good. Basically, all the lines supposed to be in the middle. I am hungry. Make sure that the bottom is aligned. Here comes the magic. Basically, you just take advantage of all the holes that's around. Put your arm back in, align, adjust. Yeah. protection for the obi. I don't think I'm supposed to hold this. Alright. This is my first attempt doing this. First I have to go with traditional cm 右肩に乗せてよし。三角に巻きつけてここまで来た。残った長い方を肩幅程度の大きさに畳んでいきます。肩幅程度。I'm so sorry, this is all turning into Japanese words. We're good, we're good. で下ろしてギャザーの中心にかぶせ目をずらし結び目を作ります。はっ There you go。 熱いな。 OK。I think this is what I'm going with. I don't know what else I can do to make this look any better. That's it for the yukata situation.